Welcome back once again to the channel. Today, we're gonna go to the Rural King, pick up a couple hay bales. Sorry, I'm backing out of the driveway here. Oh, I ran over the mail truck guy. Oh, waving me out. Anyway, sorry about that. But yeah, we're gonna go to the Rural King, get us a couple hay bales. Just kind of start off the track, start marking off the corners and all that good stuff. I'd say all together, it's hard to say how many hay bales we're gonna need, but I'm gonna say it's probably gonna be in the ballpark of 50 to 100, somewhere in there. I know that's a big range, but I couldn't tell you how many we're gonna need. So I'm gonna start off with see what $100 can get us. Kind of go from there, and I'm also gonna go on Summit Racing and order some hay bale covers. They got Fly Racing, Pro Taper, a couple different hay bale covers you can get on there. So just to try to, I don't know, I guess protect the hay bale, whatever you want to do with them. I mainly want to do it to try to make the hay bales last as long as they can, but also just add a little appeal to the track, if you guys want to call. But yeah, we're gonna go check that out, get those loaded up, and see how they turn out. Well, we made it back to the Webb's Ridge here. We got some hay bales.
Yeah, buddy. See how this shit goes today.
Yeah, jeez. About 150,000 degrees outside. We didn't get a lot of hay bales, but we're gonna see what these things will do and how much ground they'll cover, and kind of go from there.
Got Webb's Ridge Beach Resort right here. Check this thing out. Might build a cabin on this little lake I got cooking. Yeah, I was watching that fucking straight rhythm shit like this morning, and I was just getting some gnarly ass ideas for like a huge rhythm section up on this top hill. I want to get the ski jump, man, and I want to get the step up dialed, but then some booters, not real booters, but like lengthy fucking doubles. Yeah. You're just sick. Two of them or something. Maybe another one diving down the hill.
Well, just one that you just
lengthy fuckers. Yeah,
easy jumps, but big.
Yeah.
Real mellow landings, like.
And I was just getting super excited for that damn transfer to get a space car.
Imagine a picture right here.
Yeah, these fucking hot. That thing will be easy too, but the grade, the bottoms is smooth and just a little bit of a space.
It's gonna be sick. foot view of the track here. See, when we were in the last video, if you guys seen, we were going around this whole section here. Kind of see why. I'll show you what's going on here. There's a little ski jump Greg stepping on. This thing here, yeah, it's a mess.
There's a face down there in the bottom of that gully. You can't probably blends in on camera, but there's a face
Right
at the bottom of the gully. It's planned to shoot you up
there
to the top of the hill. And it doesn't look like it might not work like that. So I might move that face up about mid hill. There's a little like ski jump coming out of about midway up the hill.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess we'll just go. Might just have to send it a couple times to see where the landing's best going to be fit.
Yep.
And I'll just carve a little downgrade into the hill. Use that dirt for the start of the next double.
Badass shot of the runway in the background, spitting out of the side of the tree there.